Hello everyone. Happy October 31st. Celebrate Halloween, magic, and the joy of dressing up. These moments are perfect for gifting, even if it's just to brighten someone's day. You missed out. Don't worry. More exciting celebrations are coming soon. Stay tuned until the end for all the details. It's Halloween. Celebrate costumes, candy, and spooky fun. Gift a trick-or-treat bundle, a DIY costume kit, or a glow-in-the-dark decor set. Are you dressing up as this year? Let's haunt the comments with ideas. Next, it's National Magic Day, honoring illusion, wonder, and the legacy of Harry Houdini. Gift a beginner's magic trick set, a book on famous magicians, or a ticket to a magic show. Any magical moment you've experienced. Let's conjure it in the comments. Enjoying these celebrations? Like this video, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so you never miss more amazing content. Share this video with friends, they'll thank you later. It's National Knock Knock Jokes Day. Celebrate classic humor and silly punchlines. Gift a joke book, a pun-themed mug, or a card with a laugh-out-loud message. Got a favorite knock-knock joke? Let's crack up the comments. Check out the video description for links to matching gift products. And watch our daily videos, one covering upcoming celebrations for November 26th to 30th. Get gift ideas early.
Thanks for watching everyone. More celebrations are coming tomorrow. Stay awesome.